This is Module 5, Google Docs, Creating a Form. This is the page that you'll see once you type the URL in, docs.google.com. If you don't already have an account created, then you need to go ahead and do that. Create an account now. Complete the form, then submit it, but I've done that, so let me back out. Typing in then your email address as part of the sign-in process, as well as password. Then sign in. And now you're into your account and everything that you've been working on. So we're going to go ahead over here and create a new form, but you have other options. But today it's form. Here's our form. This is going to be brief. So I could call this Math 120 Student Eval. Some help text such as please complete all questions. Sample question 1 is actually the question itself. Name, such as first and then last. I don't think we need help text. Type, this is going to be text, but you have other options. Paragraph text, check all of these out, but we're going to hit text. I'm going to make this required. Hit done. We're good. Question number 1 is done. You'll notice that as I move the cursor around, my hand kind of activates each question. I have the choice to edit, duplicate, or trash. Let's do one more. So let's edit the second question. 2, what did you like about Math 120? Choices. Let's make this check boxes for fun. The professor, my math lab, video clips. I could hit other, make this required, and done. Okay, and again, I can duplicate and edit this if I want, or if I decide to trash it, go to the trash can. Ask me if I really want to do this. Yes. So here we have that. So let me go ahead and continue with, if you want to then, suppose we are finished, you then have the choice of, you do want to save this, so let's save. I can then email it to others or to myself. I do encourage you to email it to yourself and kind of check it out. We can see responses, but this is based on once people start responding to your form. Or other actions, embed. So this would actually give me my text, my script that would enable me to embed it in a website, Course Compass. Okay. All right. So then once I'm done with that, let me click on close this window, and I'm back to my account. You'll see that it's now there, Student Eval. I can, if I click on it, you'll see the spreadsheet come up. And of course, if there were responses, then you would see the responses in here. Under Form, you have other options. Edit gets you back to where you were making your changes or adding questions. I can go to a live form. There's my live form. Let me close it down. Show summary responses. Well, right now, there aren't any. And I'm going to close that window. Okay, and then last of all, under Actions, if you decide that you don't want this form, we can also trash it. And I can also say undo. Okay, so anyway, that's the completion of Google Docs, creating a form. Hope this helps, and thanks for participating. Bye-bye.